more interactive way to learn the Igbo language, I want to show you something I have created. So this is my Igbo WhatsApp and Listen platform, and it was designed to help you learn the Igbo language beyond simply memorizing translations or memorizing Igbo words or Igbo phrases or Igbo sentences. Okay, you can tap words and listen to how they are pronounced, learn vocabulary with visual flashcards, and practice what you've learned immediately. So this is happening like real time, okay? But listening alone is not enough. So I also added activities that help you to test yourself and actually remember what you are learning. All right. We have activities like worksheets. We have coloring materials. You're also going to have access to 1,000 multiple choice questions covering different areas of the Igbo language, so you can keep practicing and checking your progress. And there are resources you can start using for free. I already said that. You can download free Igbo worksheets for extra practice, as well as Igbo coloring materials that make learning more enjoyable, especially for children. Well, for adults as well. So if you're learning Igbo yourself, or whether you're doing it for yourself, helping your child learn, or you are a teacher looking for resources to make your lessons more interactive, there is something for you. There is something for everybody. I have done for you pack for teachers, I have for students, I have for children, I have coloring materials for both adults and children, all in Igbo language. So imagine you are doing all these things in Igbo. So just visit my Igbo word, www.myigboword.com, or from the link in the comment section or in the caption or link in my bio. See you in class. Bye. God.